Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install uTorrent in Windows. This method will work both on Windows 11 and 10, so stay tuned. First of all, head to your web browser and go to uTorrent.com. After going to uTorrent.com, you're going to have to go to uTorrent Classic and click on Free Download. Now scroll down and download the basic free version. So I'm going to download now. We're going to wait a few moments and the download will begin automatically. As you can see, the download had started. We are going to open the file and now our installation has begun. We're going to click on Next and Next again. Choose your installation options. I don't need this top icon, so I'm going to disable it. We're going to go Next. Now here are some additional configurations. I don't want my uTorrent to start with Windows, so I'm going to disable this. And also, I don't want BitTorrent search engine files, so I'm going to disable these two options. However, you can enable them if you want. Then we're going to click Next again. As you can see, our installation has completed, and we're going to click on Finish. So here is the uTorrent. We have downloaded the uTorrent successfully. Using these steps, you can download uTorrent in your Windows 11 or Windows 10. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.